Hi guys, welcome to my Chinese watch collection. My name is Aviv. If it's your first time on my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get notified when I upload new content. Today we're taking a look at this very nice Megir Chronograph watch. It's very nice and stylish, but is it any good? Let's find out together after the intro. Okay, so hi guys. Today I have here this Megir Chronograph watch. It is called the Megir Chronometer ML2011G. It's a very nice casual wear watch. Let's take it off the cushion and look at it up close. There are a few different choices of color for you with this watch. I'm sure you can find something you like. I had a really hard time choosing the color. This is the black face, silver case and brown leather strap option. Let's take a closer look. Pretty straightforward with this watch. We have 3 sub-dials on the watch face for the chronometer. When we press the top pusher that sits on the 2 o'clock position, it starts going. The top dial shows us 1/10 of a second and it completes a full circle every 2 seconds. The bottom dial shows us the seconds, and the dial on the 9 o'clock position shows us the minutes. If we push the top pusher again and then the bottom pusher, the chronometer will reset. You can see that there's a bit of an alignment problem on the top dial, but that's something that happens from time to time with the Chinese watches. It is probably just the unit I got. And I think it happened over time. I didn't come like this right away. I have it for about a year. We have the date complication between the 4 and 5 o'clock positions. And we have a crown for setting the time and the date. On the back we have the Megir logo with a stainless steel back written on it. Water resistant and 2011. It says that the strap is genuine leather. And we have the Megir logo on the buckle as well. Very nice and thick leather strap. Very good quality strap. Let's check out some measurements for this watch. We'll start off with the weight. The watch weighs 58 grams. The dial diameter is 42.8. The distance between the lugs, if you ever want to change the strap, is 22 millimeters. The distance between lug tip to lug tip is 48.8, and the dial thickness is 10.5, not very thick. Let's see how it sits on my 7-inch wrist. Well, how about that? Very nice, isn't it? I think it sits very nice. Perfect proportions. Okay, so we have a great watch here. I think the look is very classic for everyday use. Very nice leather strap very nice finish on the case. We have a little bit of loom on the hands. My only problem with it, and it's probably again just with the unit I got, is the misalignment of the 1/10 of a second dial on the 12 o'clock position. Other than that, I just love the silverish hour indicators. The hands of the watch are slim and pointed at the tip, except the seconds hand, which isn't pointed. They fit very well with the hour indicators. They're all polished very well, just like the case. I enjoy this watch very much. Maybe I'll pick up some more of the colorways available. Tell me what you think about this watch. For this price, is the misaligned hand on the sub-dial deal breaker for you, or is it something you're willing to overlook? If you have any comments or questions about this watch or anything else, please comment below. I'll make sure to answer each and every one of you. If you like this watch, I'll put the link in the description below for you to buy it on AliExpress. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel where I talk about my mostly Chinese watch collection. I do have some non-Chinese watches I also love, and from time to time I will show them to you. I also give you some tips and tricks about taking care of your watches by yourselves without having to take them to professionals, and about shopping AliExpress. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can learn a little bit more about me and my collection. I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.